Hello, my fellow primates. Welcome to another video. Today we are making wheel chocks. These are the most ghetto, affordable, do-it-yourself wheel chocks you can get. So we're just gonna be starting with some scrap 2x4, cutting it, nailing it together. This is something you can do at home with a handsaw. We got power tools here, so we're gonna do this super quick, but this is gonna be a quick one. So enjoy. So what we have here is 3 pieces of wood that we have cut down into long, medium, and short length. The lengths aren't super ideal. I went with like about a foot, 7 inches, and 4 inches. And basically the idea is you're gonna set one up on your wheel, set up the second one, third one. And you got yourself a chock system there. I'm just gonna pencil the lines so I know where to screw them in. But basically here, we're gonna take the contour of the wood, the wheel, map it onto our wood, and then we have our lines so we can screw these down. We have ourselves a wheel chock. So we are at the bench here. We got our 3-inch deck screws that work pretty well. And basically we're lining these up to where our lines were. Putting in the first. I'm pre-drilling these so that 2x4 doesn't split on me. These are old 2x4s that we found on the construction job site, so they are a little bit fragile, but yeah, basically you can screw those in, take the top one, line it up with our line, pre-drill, and we are good to go. And finally, the last step is putting those things underneath your car. Oh no, my car does not fit. I mean, the last step is putting them under your car so your car doesn't roll away. But unfortunately, my car is too low to use these. It kind of works on this side, but it's still interfering with that. So maybe I'll end up cutting those really low, putting them back on. Good plan. So realistically, because I have a lower car, these are not going to work. There's not enough space between the fender and the blocks. So I'm going to need to make these shorter. The overall profile is fine, but I need to take these apart and cut them down a little bit more. So before I do that, I'm going to grab a pencil here and mark these off where I want them to be. So based on where the fender came down, I'm gonna make them pretty aggressively short. All I do is really not want them to break. So I think if I go here, and the bottom length is okay, I don't want them to tip back. So I can leave this long base on here so they don't tip back. As long as this part here is narrow, it can fit up under the wheel. So that's what we're gonna do. The other side, like before, put our lines on the side, pencil mark, pencil forward, excellent. Okay, we got the sides where we're going to mark those for being cut. Okay, good. We'll cut, and we will be back in a second. So we're back. Not much has changed, except our boards are cut. As you can see, we have our pencil markings for the front and where they're going to need to start, and then we have these cut down. So first up is the first one, and we got the pencil mark with the wood going forward, and then the next one we have again the wood going forward, and then finally these are going to go on the top, like so, and like so, again matching the profile of the tire and getting screwed in. And as you can see, we left a little bit on the back so they don't rock and tip over. So I'm gonna pre-drill these now because they are getting really narrow. And the wood is gonna split at some point. Pretty bad. So there we go. Let's go try these on the car and see if they fit under our lowered BMW. True, so here we are under the car, and as you can see, these fit in there between the fender and the wheel. So we have success. That is gonna work. That's not gonna fall over. That's gonna hold our wheel in place as we jack it up, and our car is not gonna fall off the jack. So we're gonna be safe working underneath it, and no one's gonna die. So that, I think, is called success. I hope you guys like that video. Now you can be safe when you're working on your car, and you're not gonna have it fall off a jack stand for you if you're working on an angle, and you're ready to go. So thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for liking and subscribing and notifying and all the other stuff that you're supposed to do for the YouTubers. I'm glad that we could hang out together. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.